The budgeting system inside of Lizzy is pretty basic, and I'm going to kind of show you some of the things that it does and what we use it for. It is one of those parts of the application that we've added to do some things that we want to do here at NISIC, since we do use Lizzy here to run our company. But anything that you'd like to see added that is missing, you're more than welcome to let us know what that is so that we can get it added. Right now, it's a fairly basic system, and so let's get started. So the first thing is inside of accounting budget. We've got a create and modify budgets, and this gives us a list of the current budgets that we've got created. Basically, what we're going to do here is tell it the name of the budget. So let's say building addition, just to give you an example, and let's say that we estimate that we're going to spend $10,000 to do this particular enhancement to the building. We want this to start today, and the project should be over by the end of February. So we're going to go ahead and give it a beginning, and you can change these at any time if it ends up going farther. The general idea is that once a budget item has been secured, then we don't want to show it in our list that I'm about to show you, just to make things a little bit easier to work with. So at this point, we're just going to tell it to add, and that's all there is to actually adding the budget item. Now, if we go over here to checking, and let's just create a new entry. So we'll tell it it's a check. It really doesn't matter what it is, but you'll notice down here at the bottom it says select a budget item. So here I'm just going to tell it that this is going toward the budget item of the building addition. And so what is going to happen is we have a budget report that we can run that will show us where we stand with each of our budget items. So it gives you the ability to really quickly create a budget item, and then be able to tag purchase orders, checking any kind of entry that's going to have an expenditure associated with it. We can tag it with that budget item so that we can keep track of how much we actually spent doing that particular thing. So we have our budgeted amount that we actually said that's what we wanted to spend, or that's what we thought we were going to spend, and then you'll end up, once you're done writing all the checks and paying all the purchase orders, you'll end up with the actual amount that you ended up spending on that particular budget item.